I so appreciate you stopping in today. I have my Lurella Beauty Box. I love this box for October. They generally do a great job. I've not been a fan lately, and I guess that was more summertime and the whole Barbie thing. Too many pinks and brights. I'm hoping this like settles down a little bit, but I do love their themed boxes. So this is the card for the month of October and what we have inside. So let's just see. I'll give you a little sneak peek here before we get into it and see what we have. Always well packaged. We have these little air pillows. First thing that I see is right on top. I'm going to do it. This is a paddle brush. Love is in the air. I love these. These are great. Drying your hair. They dry your hair so fast by getting, you know, up underneath the hair and pulling it, and it does dry it. If you have thick hair, my hair takes forever to dry with a normal brush, but paddle brush works wonderful. Happy to have a new one on that. That's $5. We have the dreaded lashes. I say dreaded. I don't wear lashes. And these are baddie. And these are some big, bold lashes right there. You know, if you wear lashes, that's wonderful. I don't believe that the majority of you do. Some might, but all right, I'm not messing with that package. And lashes are 3D mink eyelash, $4. Looks like we have a couple brushes. 2 individual brushes, $6, so $3 each. You can see that, you know, these are definitely shadow brushes right here. Okay, not bad. Oops. What is this? We've received this before, the Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And they're not generally big repeaters of stuff, but this is a repeat. I mean, this is such a huge tub that, you know, it takes a while to use this. I still have some, and you know, I don't just exclusively use Lurella products. So, you know, stuff like this does last me a while. I'm going to show you. This reminds me of like the Bum Bum cream jars. So, you know, stuff like that, like this. Right here. So that's, you know, how many of them do you need? That's, like I said, pretty big tub, so it does last a while. Then we have here in a little, what are you? Diamond something. I cannot read today. This is in Poison. Diamond Shadow, maybe? Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Diamond. So it's going to be like a silvery. So I wanted to share with all you while I'm opening this. I have both dogs with me, and I have them with me. I've had them with me since Saturday. Patches is not used to being up here. She's used to being with my mom. So this is the packaging. My mom has been in the hospital since Saturday. We had to rush her. Oh, this is a beautiful purple. To rush her emergently by ambulance to the hospital. She wasn't feeling good. She just is out of sorts, and she's been having a few cardiac things done this week. So, you know, it's just very stressful for all of us. You know, I feel like I'm living at the hospital. If I'm, you know, I'm home rarely. I'm home to sleep because, you know, I just have to be. You know, I still have a lot of other stuff outside to do. You know, I have dogs. I have no home. I have to take care of myself and, you know, just things like that. So, you know, I am reading all comments. I'm hearting them now. I don't have time to, you know, leave, you know, a comment like I have been. So I am reading them during the day when I am at the hospital, just so that you know. I have here a beauty sponge. Oh, I not see that. I don't see this. Active color. That's that. Cleansing. Yeah, I don't see this, but they come. This is wonderful. Their sponge is wonderful, but it comes with the soap, and they're usually a couple dollars. And then this here, I would assume this is the active color. Active Colors Lime Juice. So this is going to be green. I'm not going to, well, I guess I could open it. I opened everything else. Wasn't going to open it, but I will. If I could get into it. Sometimes these packages are so hard to get in. Yeah, I'm not going to pull it out. You can see that's green. I guess I can. I say I'm not going to, and then I do. So this is green. Lime juice. We've received these before. I don't know about this exact color, but we've received these before. So I'm not a fan of the duplicates. So that's just my opinion, and that is $7. Then we have here a lip liner in toffee. I'm not going to open that. You can see the color. I don't know if I'll keep it or share it, honestly. I don't even see that on here. So it looks like we have some extra, you know, goodies thrown in here. Here we have a palette. Pick Your Poison eyeshadow palette. Oh, that's interesting. That's kind of cute. I like that. Their stuff is always nicely sealed. So let's nicely unseal it so that I can see what this looks like. I mean, I could look on the other side, but I try not to look at what the palette looks like until I can actually open it. But interesting palette. I like, obviously for Halloween, I do like the shape of it. And let's see, how do you come off? Off the top? I don't know. Do you come off? You have to. How do you get it off? Maybe you don't. I don't know. I would think you would. Is it like stuck? Yeah, kind of. I don't know how to get into this. If I'm being honest. It's not sliding. I think it's like stuck to the palette. And I don't want to destroy it because it's part of the... Oh my goodness, I can't get into it. Oh, it doesn't give you a hint on the other side. I don't want to destroy the outer thing. How do I get into this? Okay, let me see if I can cut that. I don't know how to else to get in this palette. Alright, I'm just going to slice that paper. See if that'll get me in. No. How could I get in this? Ugh. I'm going to have to slit that paper. But it's not as easy as it sounds. Like it doesn't want to cut. Oh, there we go. I did have to cut the side to get in. I hope that was the way in. Yeah, well, it is now. It might have been. It might not have been. Oh. It's just like two sides. What's it? I don't know. So this side, right here, it was like stuck. There's a mirror. Kind of cute with the skull. Let me show you the palette. This is definitely not for me. This is the palette right here. Just, I mean, beautiful. It's just not for me. It does have a protective shield. I'm just going to cover it back up. And this is the palette right here. I'm not messing with that. That's just a little too much for me. So let me tell you, the palette is... Pick Your Poison eyeshadow palette, $16. And then here I have a Lurella Festy tote for $5. So a nice little bright yellow tote. Might come in handy this week. You know, carting all kinds of stuff back and forth to the hospital. Thursday's going to be a very long day for me. And I don't know, I was thinking about taking my laptop, but I don't think I would put it in this. Because I have laptop carrying cases that are soft. Just because I have so much work to do, and I just sit there sometimes, and I could be editing, and I could be, you know, doing thumbnails, and just getting so much done rather than just sit there. And then when I come home, I'm exhausted, I'm drained, and I have to do all this stuff. But, you know, you still got to do what you've got to do. But I do like this very much, and appreciate the tote. The palette, I don't really think is for me, but... It says box value $53. It might be a little bit more. It looks like they have some extra goodies in here. And this is $29.99 a month. I think we do plus tax and free shipping. 5 to 7 Lurella beauty products, makeup, brushes, mirrors, all different kinds of goodies as you can tell. And they're all usually the Lurella brand. So, ooh. So this is a little sneak peek after the box. So not bad. Like I said, some repeats. I don't mind the cleansing balm. I might share this one since I still have the other one. I love the sponge and the soap, the brush. Some of these other little like shadowy things I might share. The liner I might share just because I think I have that one. The brushes I might keep, and then the palette definitely I'll share. I will not keep that. Let me know your thoughts on this Lurella box, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all on tomorrow's video. Bye for now.